Start by pulling the wiper arm up, and then underneath the wiper blade, I'll show you in a second, but there's a little tab that you can press down on, and that'll unlock the blade off of the arm. Set the arm down gently. You don't want to let it fly, it'll smash the windshield. So the tab that I was talking about is this one right here. You pull down on it, that unlocks this mechanism off of the arm, and you can pull it straight back. Set this aside, pull the wiper arm up, install the wiper blade, line it up here, push it until it clicks. To ensure that it's secure, go ahead and give it a tug backwards. It should not come off. And then gently rest it on the windshield, and then repeat the process to the other side if you wish to do so.